What's up guys, this is Balázs from Racing Brick. We still have a couple of months until we can expect the new Technic sets to arrive. Until then there are some other LEGO themes we can explore on the channel. Today's set was selected by my son, and I have to tell you that it was an excellent choice from this year's city lineup. This is the 60258 Tuning Workshop set. As you can see on the front, this set has tons of items in it. There's a fully equipped repair shop with a tow car, a hot rod, a tuner car, a small car dealership and so on. On the back we can see more details and some functions. What is not obvious for the first sight, and I have to confess that I did not know it either, this set is heavily based on the LEGO City Adventures animated series. The main characters and locations you get in the set appear in the series, so if you are a fan, then I'm sure it will be a great experience to play with them. Let's open the box. It is fairly big, it has 897 pieces, and the price is 99.99 euros or dollars. There are 10 numbered bags inside, a separate unnumbered one with the base plates, and the building instructions with the sticker sheet. There are 6 different manuals. This makes the building easier, and even friends can build the different sections simultaneously. On the back of one of the manuals you can see some characters from the series. I recognize Tread Octane and Harl Hubs appearing in this set. As it is a city set, I won't go into the building details. Let's see how the completed setup looks like. There are several vehicles, lots of minifigs and tons of stories to play. Let's see the different parts separately. Here is the main building, the garage. On the front it has some cool details with all the stickers and the street light. You can easily add it to your city layout. The huge sliding door works well, although you need to pay attention not to remove it accidentally. The building has one side built with the huge windows, but the back and the other side is open to provide access to the interior. The main plane function is this gantry crane that is used to lift the engine block. It slides right and left and also back and forth. There are lots of accessories inside. You can see a bin with a shovel, broom and other stuff, and the stands for the awesome printed welding masks. These are brand new pieces and I totally love them. They look super cool and a must-have accessory for any city scale hot rod shop. There are some more details inside to explore, like the fire extinguisher, the pizza box or the drill press, the calendar on the wall or the computer. Now let's take a look at the hot rod. A really cool looking car with the massive blower on top of the engine, an old school grill at the front and flame bursting pipes on the sides. The doors can be opened to provide access to the simple seat inside. The crane that you saw in the garage can be used to replace the engine block with this even more serious looking one. Tread Octane is the proud owner and driver of this cool vehicle. The next one is the tow truck. As you see on the sticker, it belongs to Tread's Tuning Workshop. It's a good looking truck with lots of functions. There are side compartments on both sides for the traffic cones, there are tools attached on top, and on the back you have the main towing function with the boom. The driver has no door to open this time, so you need to remove the top to provide access to the driver's seat. The towing function is kind of functional, although you can see that the smaller car of the set does not really fit on it, and even the larger one has some challenges as the rear wheels won't touch the ground when it is lifted up. Now let's see the tuner car. It has some wild stickers on the side, gold rims and an adjustable rear spoiler. It has some transparent bricks on the front and on the sides near the bottom, might be an indication of the neon lights you can see on some tuner cars. The driver minifig is a girl with a hoodie and this nice t-shirt with the graphic equalizer design. It is also exclusive to this set so far. The cars look great together. You can play an illegal drag racing sim with them in your LEGO town. Here's an accessory that can be used in the garage or separately as well. A simple but effective jack stand to perform some maintenance on the cars. This scene is kind of separate from the garage. It is a small car dealership with a trailer, a stand and a small smart-like car. Here is our sales guy with his mobile phone and a lady with some cash looking for the affordable mini car of her dreams. The car is super small and simple but works well in this scene. The trailer looks great. You can open the door at the front, but you can also lift up the whole rear section to provide access to the interior. Apparently the dealership is not really successful, since the only car for sale is the one that can actually tow the trailer of the sales guy. And here comes Harl Hubs, one of the main characters of the series, who seems to be a little bit weird in this scene. As far as I know, he's building his crazy ideas himself, so the rocket-powered motorcycle is not maintained in the tuning shop normally. Maybe he's looking for some racing opportunities with the hot rod or the tuner car. The final and definitely most adorable item in the set is this bulldog with his house and the sausage on the plate. The house is small but looks great. This bulldog is also a brand new piece in the set. I'm sure there will be folks buying it just for the dog, as he has a really nice character. So this was the LEGO City Tuning Workshop. I think this is a great set for all car-loving kids and also for adult petrol heads. It has tons of details with lots of playable functions, also looks great as a display piece, and it has some great exclusive parts related to the scene. If you are into cars, then I think this is one of the best city sets to get this year, definitely recommended. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe and tap the notification bell if you don't want to miss my LEGO reviews and other LEGO RC videos. See you next time, bye bye.